A really good cook will find the nuance in replicating a dish 75 times a night. That's a process of evolution which actually improves the dish. They have to be compelling and they find their own life after they hit the menu. I am as enthusiastic as I am about cooking seafood is because I grew up a fisherman. I started cooking in earnest when I was like 18. My love for the sea was already deeply ingrained in me by that time. Understanding how to make something look beautiful is one thing. Understanding how to make something taste great, how to create the imagery that you see, that's a completely different story.
More smoked beef fat. Already 2 menus!
Being at the market, whether it's a fish market or a farmer's market, you're always going to find something that's inspiring or delicious. And I also feel the weight of trying to be as sustainable as possible. We keep a little garden to cut down on packaging of greens and herbs and flowers and things like that we need for our cooking. I worked with a group of chefs throughout the course of my career, which is 40 years ago now, that inspired me, gave me an appreciation and a love for the craft of cooking, so I couldn't thank them enough. To have gotten the Chef's Choice Award really kind of floored me. And I can only take so much credit for that because I'm surrounded by this incredible team of people that allows us to do what we do every day. What's next for Providence, I think, is just more evolution, more change. I know that we can continue to push it, and so why wouldn't we? My name is Michael Cimarusti, winner of the Estrella Damm Chef's Choice Award as part of North America's 50 Best Restaurants 2025.